हाँ
कल तक अपलोड करना है यूट्यूब पे तीनों वीडियोस।
हाँ सर, आपको देखने का है क्या बनाया?
बता ना।
एंड आउटपुट बना था वहाँ, टर्न ऑन द लाइट।
अच्छा एलेक्सा जैसे होना है।
और
यूज किया
फिर
तूने IF ट्रिपल टी?
नीचे क्या है?
हाँ, ये देखो ना,
क्या
नोड
है?
एमसीयू के इधर ये लाइट है ना। एक मिनट।
सही हो, नीचे वाला कैंसिल कर।
क्या?
क्या तो कमेंट।
ये
बिजली का
वो
बिल करवा पड़ेगा।
मैंने खुद का वो कोडिंग के टाइम पे अलग रख देंगे। ये देखो ना, किधर गया ये एलईडी? ऑन हो गया, ठीक है।
यस।
और अभी मैंने वापस ये किया, टर्न ऑफ द लाइट,
ओके अच्छा
बंद हो गया।
ठीक है
ऐसे
मस्त।
एक्चुअली में क्या करने वाला था, मैं रिले, अपना रिले रहता है ना,
हाँ
वो रिले में लिखा के मैं ये लैंप चालू करने वाला था,
ओके।
पर मेरा रिले फट गया
पीछे का
एक्चुअली।
लाइट चालू कर देता।
हाँ, मेरा रिले फट गया, तो
वाह।
किधर जल गया रहेगा, अभी पता नहीं किधर रखा है मैंने। तो अभी वो रिले के जगह पे हम लोग एलईडी यूज करेंगे।
तो चलेगा ना, एलईडी भी कुछ भी दिखा ना मस्त हो।
एलईडी 3 वोल्ट का रहता है सर, उसमें रिले में 2 से 20 वोल्ट का एसी करंट जा रहा था। एक मिनट, और ये पीपीटी में ओपन करके रखता हूँ। एक मिनट, ये वाला नहीं चाहिए।
आज क्या क्या कराने वाला है? ब्लिंक पहले करेगा फिर IF ट्रिपल टी पे जाएगा क्या?
हाँ, पहले ब्लिंक फिर आईएफ। ये क्या हो गया? एक मिनट।
तो ब्लिंक वाले इसमें कौन सा कोड डालने वाला है? ये अपना ESP स्टैंड अलोन वाला ना,
स्टैंड
8266?
हाँ,
हाँ।
स्टैंड अलोन डालने वाला। नोड एमसीयू मैंने डाल के देखा,
मत
वो नहीं चला फिर।
मत स्टैंड
ये
अलोन ज्यादा अच्छा
हाँ,
है, बेटर रहेगा।
वही। वो क्या हुआ पता है, स्टैंड नोड एमसीयू चलता है, पर कब चलता है पता है? जब तू ये रखेगा ना, अ, कैसे बताओ, जब तू तेरे मोबाइल डेटा से करेगा ना,
हाँ
तब अच्छे से चलता है।
हाँ।
अरे एक मिनट गाइस, ये देख लो, आपको कुछ किधर गया जूम? ये ऐसे आ रहा है। ये क्या करूं मैं अभी?
किसमें प्ले कर रहा है ये तू?
ये इसमें ही है। और
पावर पॉइंट?
हाँ, पीपीटी का ही है। F5 ये दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ।
F5 दबाया, तो ऐसे आता है। अभी मैं क्या करूं, वरना मेरे को ये पावर F5 बिना दबा के बताना पड़ेगा।
दबा, रिटर्न दबा फिर से।
फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग। आया क्या?
हाँ
हाँ, एक मिनट। आया? पार्ट 3 आ रहा
हाँ
है।
हाँ।
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो करेगा, ठीक है।
क्विज का क्या करना है? यस्टरडे का भी क्विज नहीं हुआ।
हाँ, कर दूंगा।
बहुत लोगों मैसेज आया था, क्विज
सर
क्विज क्विज
सर
क्विज
फाइनल
करो।
वाला बना देते हैं एक।
सर, एक बात रखो, मैं मेरे को है ना टाइम फ्लो पता नहीं चलता, तो आप 10 मिनट लास्ट का बचेगा ना,
हम्म,
तब बता दो मुझे कि साई ओनली 5 मिनट्स आर लेफ्ट, देन वी हैव टू आल्सो डू द Q&A। ठीक है।
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।
मैंने
हाँ
किया था
और
कल।
हाँ
मैं कल तेरे को भेजे जा रहा था, तो काम अलग से ही इसमें था।
हाँ, अरे वो मैं एक
पढ़ा भी
बार
था क्या तूने तभी?
एंड तू चैट बॉक्स पढ़ मत, सही चैट बॉक्स पढ़ मत, वो लास्ट में पढ़ते क्योंकि वो
हाँ
डिस्टर्ब
ठीक
हो
है
जाता है माइंड।
हाँ और एक अगर है ना मैं बोलने वाला हूँ, किसी को मराठी में अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में डालो, ठीक है? तो वो अगर किसी ने चैट बॉक्स में डाला तो जल्दी से बोलो कि ये मराठी वालों को पार्ट समझ में नहीं आया, ठीक है?
ओके।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, एक मिनट। ओके हाँ हाँ नहीं, एक मिनट सर, चालू मत करो, मैं बताऊंगा तभी करो।
52 अब तक मैडम भी नहीं आते।
8 मिनट्स है ना और।
हाँ, वही। अ,
कल मैं ना, मेरा कोई पार्ट नहीं था ना, तो मैंने ऐसे लंच बॉक्स खोल के एकदम खाते खाते तेरा वीडियो देख रहा था।
सर ये मेरा वीडियो पिन नहीं हो सकता क्या? है वो ऐसा रखा है कि जो बात करेगा उसका आता है ना बराबर, ये छोटे डब्बे में।
हाँ पिन हो सकता है ना। देख
पिन
अभी
करो
मैं
मेरा
पिन, देख
मेरा
मैं
वीडियो
पिन
पिन कर
करता
दो
हूँ।
बस।
हाँ जैद अभी तुझे क्या दिख रहा है? जैद
आपका दिख रहा है मेरे को।
क्या दिख रहा है?
आपका ही दिख रहा है। आपका
मेरा
मीन्स
दिख रहा है।
आपका।
आई थिंक पिन का तो इंडिविजुअल है कि सबके लिए होगा वो, क्योंकि मैंने तेरा पिन किया तो
नहीं, इंडिविजुअल होता है वो।
इंडिविजुअल होता है ना। ओके।
एक मिनट साहब, ये लॉगिन का लफड़ा हो गया।
किस चीज का लॉगिन? IFTTT?
लिंक का।
गूगल? ब्लिंक?
लिंक तो हाँ सर,
तूने
मेरे बोलने
टोकन
तक
तो वही
कान
डाला
मत।
होगा ना?
हाँ
क्या हुआ?
हाँ, कीबोर्ड खुल नहीं रहा था, एक मिनट।
टोकन चेक कर ले, सेम है ना?
जेड ये एक्चुअली आया ना, IFTTT तू करने वाला था, तूने मुझे लास्ट मिनट में आउटपुट दिया नहीं।
हाँ। अरे, मेरा IFTTT हुआ ही नहीं।
क्या बंदे, अभी मैं बता, मैं सुबह उठ के याद आया कि IFTTT भी है, और ये थिंग स्पीक उनके दिमाग के बाहर जाएगा। एक तो 50 मिनट्स का टाइम लेन, उसमें तो कुछ होगा
नहीं,
नहीं।
थिंग्स भी करा ही नहीं सकते। अपने को ही कितना टाइम लग रहा था वो
वही
करने को, ग्राफ वगैरह निकालने को।
एरर निकाल, मैं बस वेबसाइट लॉन्च करके बता दूंगा कि हम लोगों ने ऐसा ऐसा बनाया था।
हाँ चलेगा, उतना कर सकते हैं।
अह, ये दिख रहा है अभी?
क्या?
गूगल 80।
हाँ दिख रहा है।
बहुत लैगी है, बहुत लैगी है, पर ठीक है चलेगा ना, लैग होने से क्या फर्क पड़ता। बस।
तो चेंज किया क्या तूने
क्या?
बिजली का बिल?
नहीं, मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि वो कोड पूरा आर्काइव कर दूं, मतलब डिलीट मार दूंगा और नए से कोड बनाऊंगा।
चलेगा।
नहीं नहीं।
अरे मगर मेन प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पर आते होता है, अगर तू करने गया और फिर बाद में हो रहा नहीं है तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा।
आकाशी मैडम भूल गई थी, मीटिंग है आज।
एक एक मिनट, मेरा ऑथ की, एक मिनट गाइस, ये सब लफड़े अभी बाहर आ रहे हैं। अ,
क्या हुआ?
मैं मेरा ऑथ की वाला जिस पे सेव किया था ना वर्ड फाइल, वो डिलीट
हम्म।
मार।
अरे वो उधर से ही मिल जाएगा ना, तू देख ऐप में जा।
अरे बता बे, रुक जरा बे, मेरे को टाइम लगेगा ना वापस ढूंढने में।
ढूंढने में? अरे ऐप में रहता है।
अरे नहीं, उसका यूआरएल भी ये रहता है ना,
तो
यूआरएल भी।
दोनों रहता है।
हाँ, वो इंडिया के सर्वर से मेरे को कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। इंडिया का सर्वर का आईपी एड्रेस जो पुराना था वही वाला है, तो मेरे को वापस से पीपीटी से लेना पड़ेगा। किधर गया ए जैद, अगर कुछ है ना जो स्लाइड दिखा रहा हूँ उसको छोड़ के कुछ अलग ही अगर स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है ना, तो मेरे को जल्दी से बता दे। हाँ
हाँ मैं बता दूंगा तो।
हाँ, वरना इसमें पता ही नहीं चलता जूम में कि क्या चल रहा है सामने वाले के साथ। मैं तो आज का पीपीटी देख के भी नहीं आया हूँ, ये सब प्रैक्टिकल ही होने वाला है। हाँ, यूआरएल फॉर्मेट मिल गया। हाँ, अरे पर मेरा ये ऑथ की दिखेगा अरे सबको जैद? हाँ
अरे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उतना, बाद में और ये कर सकते हैं, चेंज करवा सकते हैं। इन ऐप तेरे को पता है तो किधर मिलता है और की?
हाँ,
और की किधर मिलता है पता है तेरे को अपने ऐप में?
अब बता
ब्लिंक के
है।
ऐप में।
भूल गया मैं।
नहीं,
रुक,
ब्लिंक का ऐप खोल।
अबे रुक जरा, अभी मैं कुछ तो कर रहा हूँ।
अरे चेंज हो जाएगा, इतना कोई इतना इशू नहीं है,
अरे
कोई
ऑथ की मैं बाद
फास्ट
में
ये नहीं
ये,
करने वाले।
मैं बाद में प्रोजेक्ट ही ये कर दूंगा।
Hello.
बुलशिट।
हाँ, किधर गया?
Hello.
यस
Hello,
मैम।
यस मैम।
everybody. Yes. All set?
या 1 मिनट मैम, वो थोड़ा सा ऑथ की वापस मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा।
So already 14 are there.
या मैम, वी विल वेट फॉर सम टाइम ना टू।
Okay, yeah. Sure.
हो गया ना
It is
15?
2:58. No, 3 o'clock we will open. Today what you are going to talk on, Sai?
We are gonna see how the Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, we get that 4,000 boxes
Hmm.
at home, and we are gonna show how you can do the same thing at a very cheap price using Node MCU.
Okay.
So with my voice command, I can turn on and off the relay circuit. But
Yeah.
the problem is that yesterday I put extra voltage in the relay and it got bursted.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
So
Then?
instead of relay, I'm going to use a LED. It will work same.
Okay. Okay.
Just take the auth key. Auth key का document.
सुनील, सगळ्यांना हे गुगल फॉर्मचं हे सांगितलं SYNTY वर क्लासरूमचा कोड पाठवलाय मी, इन्व्हाइट लिंक क्लासरूम.
मला पण मिळालं चेक केलं.
हा, yeah. So we had to just forward it to all students. Zayed, are you ready? Your video is off. Open. I think 3 o'clock is our time. No, we should open the meeting room. Are you ready, Sai?
No ma'am, just 1 minute.
Okay, fine.
Format man, किधर गया?
Hello, Jyoti madam. Madam has kept video and both sound off.
good afternoon, madam.
Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
हाँ वही मेरा ये म्यूट था।
हाँ, no problem.
आज कॉलेज से फोन आया था।
आया था ना? हाँ, सुनील तुझे भी आया था?
हाँ
हाँ, yeah.
hello.
Because I have sir has asked सब लोगों को मिलने के लिए बोला था आपको और सुनील को.
Ma'am, do you want to see what is the end result?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will make some changes at the end. 1 minute.
No,
wait.
it's okay then. Don't do it right now.
Can we start? 3, 2.
We should start.
No, ma'am, you just see the output that. Okay, then I will show you it at the end.
Yeah,
So you can start.
Okay.
Start.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we are live.
Okay. All set?
Yeah. Ma'am, once everyone will be ready, everyone has come. I would like to give a short announcement.
Oh, sure. Fine. So before that, should we start? 33 entries are there, and let us stick to the time. Fine. Okay. So good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the last day of this precursory workshop of National Conference, as well as workshop conducted by students for students. I'm sure though you have enjoyed last 2 days session. Hello,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Something gone wrong with my, I lost the display. Okay.
नहीं audible है.
Audible. Okay. So for that, I'm sure you are enjoying it. And I will not disclose the name, but I have received calls from some students and they said, Madam, really they are doing well, and now we are feeling that we also should do, and we also should work independently for this. And this is a very good thing. And dear students, it is never too late. Feeling that I should do something is the right start for doing anything, and it is never too late. And so start doing whatever you feel. Now you have realized, अरे ये भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी हो सकता है. It is simple. I can do it. So like that, please don't allow that instinct to diminish. उसको अच्छा से आगे बढ़ाने के लिए कोशिश करो खुद से. Whatever मन में लग रहा है ना आपके कि आपने कुछ करना चाहिए, तो उस वही जो आपका विचार है उसके ही पीछे जाओ. दूसरा मन बोलेगा अरे रहने दो, नहीं आएगा. Don't listen to that mind. Listen to the mind who is telling you that go ahead and do it. Okay. So today we are having the last session, and in which you will be getting some demonstration. Yesterday also you have given the feedback that you have enjoyed this. And so today I welcome both the speakers of today's session, Sai and Zaid, and again let us appreciate their efforts. And today I would like that if some of you come forward to give the feedback also, because actually that is the normal mannerism in which all such workshops are conducted. So in that case, you can give the feedback, whatever you feel good or what you feel that it should have been added. So because always there is a scope for improvement. We never claim that we are perfect and हमने जो किया वो बहुत ही अच्छा था, उसमें कुछ बाकी भी नहीं है. It is always some or the other thing we have to improve upon, and that is a sign of progress. Okay, so like that, please put your name in the chat box, those who would like to give the feedback. And it is a good thing, again good experience कि feedback भी कैसा देना है और कैसा देते हैं. So like that, please come forward and give the feedback. Put your names in the chat box. So I request today's speakers, Sai and Zaid, to start their sessions. And before that, Sunil sir will be explaining about the rules of this house. Thank you. Back to Sunil sir.
Good afternoon, participants. So our house rule for the participant first. At the end of this session, there will be two sub-sessions. The first one is a question answer. And once we complete the question answer, there will be a feedback session. So anyone want to give some feedback, they can unmute and show their video and they can give their feedback. To ask any question, you can use a chat box and text in the chat box. Our co-host team will monitor your questions and ask the presenter. And about the participation certificate, after the session, within this week, we will give your participation certificate to the email. Okay, so whatever your email you registered on this registration link, on that email you will get a participation certificate. So thank you very much, and hand over to Sai.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sai Damodar. I'm from second year industrial electronics, and today this is the last part of our session. One note before to all my Marathi friends, माझ्या सगळे मराठी मित्रांसाठी जर त्यांना प्रॉब्लेम येत असेल काय समजण्यामध्ये तर प्लीज चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये सांगा की मला हे जे काय म्हणाले तुम्ही ते कळालेलं नाहीये तर मी मध्ये परत ट्रान्सलेट करून तर मी ट्रान्सलेट करतच राहील पण समजा माझ्याकडनं चुकून कधी ट्रान्सलेट नाही झालं तर कृपया सांगा की आम्हाला मराठीमध्ये हे समजलं नाही कृपया परत समजा ठीक आहे राईट
And one more thing for me, let me interrupt. आपल्याला समजणं हे खूप महत्वाचं आहे त्यामुळे लँग्वेज शुड नॉट बी अ बॅरियर आपल्याला पूर्ण ग्लोबल ह्याच्यात काम करायचं असेल तर वेगवेगळ्या भाषा तुम्हाला ऐकायला लागणार आहेत आणि त्यासाठी पहिल्यांदा समजणं आणि कॉन्सेप्ट क्लिअर होणं इज मेजर थिंग त्यामुळे तुम्हाला जे वाटतंय त्या लँग्वेज मध्ये इथे सांगितलं जाईल आणि ओनली थिंग आवर मोटो इज यू शुड अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट इज गोइंग ऑन ओके सो थँक्यू
So let's start with the last part of our session. Yeah. So this will be about a mobile application called BLYNK Blink. So now why this software is so great is that yesterday we saw how using the Arduino IDE software we could make our own projects, different projects we saw yesterday about temperature, sonar. It's just the tip of the iceberg. आपण अनलिमिटेड टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स बनवू शकतो पण प्रॉब्लेम कुठे येतो जेव्हा आपण समजा आपण दुसऱ्याचा प्रोजेक्ट वापरतो आहोत तेव्हा एवढा प्रॉब्लेम नाही होत पण जेव्हा आपण फ्रॉम स्क्रॅच जस्ट स्वतःचा प्रोजेक्ट बनवतो आणि समजा आपल्याला कोडिंग नसेल येत तर आणि तरी पण आपल्याला आयओटी मध्ये आवड आहे तर ती आवड कायम राहण्यासाठी हा ब्लिंक ऍप बनवलेला आहे या ब्लिंक ऍप मुळे तुम्हाला कोडिंगची एक लाईन पण नाही आली तरी चालेल हा एवढा सोपा ऍप आहे की हा जो कोडिंग जी काय असते आर्डिनो आयडी मधली ती कोडिंग तुमच्यासाठी तो करतो तर आता आपण बघणार आहोत की ब्लिंक ऍप कसा आपण वापरू शकतो Zed, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So at the App Store, you can see the Blink app. Okay. Yeah, so this is the Blink IoT for Arduino application on Play Store. You can download it on Play Store, and I think so it's also on iOS. So you have to open the application. Now what you have to do is that while I have now signed in, after signing it, what it will ask that it will ask about your Facebook ID or your email ID. You have to generate an account first. Then what we can do now, let's make a new project. So clicking here, I can make my new project. My new project name, let's take it as test. Yeah. And which device I will use. So for this, today we are going to use Node MCU. So you are going to search Node MCU. Okay. Okay, it's orange flag. Yeah. Node MCU. Okay. Connection type Wi-Fi. Theme dark or light. I think so. We should stick to dark. So new project created. And what will happen is that a auth token will be sent to my email ID. So yeah, so I got my auth code. What is the auth code? It's the authorization code. Means it's like your password. तर auth code तुम्हाला email भेटेल तुमच्या email ID वरती, and you will also get a link for Blink's official website. त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही काय करणार, तुम्हाला ती जी ब्लिंकचे जे लायब्ररीज होते, काल आपण जसे नोड एमसीयू चे लायब्ररीज बघितले, तसे ब्लिंकचे लायब्ररीज तुम्ही डाउनलोड करू शकता. बिकॉज ब्लिंक इज नॉट स्टँड अलोन सपोर्टेड इन आर्डिनो आयडी सॉफ्टवेअर. तुम्हाला ते म्हणजे मॅन्युअली तुम्हाला लायब्ररीज टाकावे लागतील तुमच्या आर्डिनो आयडी सॉफ्टवेअर मध्ये. तर हा जसा आपण आता टेस्ट क्रिएट केला, तसंच मी ऑलरेडी एक बनवलाय, गुगल ASSI 6 बनवलाय. तर आपण आता काय करणार आहोत, नाव वी विल शिफ्ट टू आवर आर्डिनो आयडी सॉफ्टवेअर. Okay, I have not opened it yet. Arduino. Yeah. Yeah. Zed, can you see my Arduino IDE software?
Yes.
Yeah. So now what we have to do now, this is the, after downloading the how we can download the libraries, you have to go in Sketch, include library, add zip library file, and then we have to select the download file which you got from your Chrome. After that, what will happen, what we have to do is that go into file, go into examples, and examples, these are the various examples, they are the code which is previously written standalone, it's ready to use. Then we will go to Blink. Inside Blink we will go to boards / Wi-Fi, and after that we will say click ESP8266 standalone. Okay, so this is the ESP8266 standalone. Now how we want to connect is that first we will see this is the whole software coding lines. Then what you have to do, the email ID, the authorization token which you got on your Gmail ID, you have to paste it here, your auth token, you have to paste it there. Then you have to put your SSID, means if you have a Wi-Fi router at your home, then put the details, the name of your Wi-Fi router and your password of your Wi-Fi router. If you don't have any Wi-Fi router, then what you can do, you can enable the hotspot of your mobile phone, your smartphone. And in the hotspot setting, you can see what is the SSID name, what is the name of your Wi-Fi hotspot. Then you have to write the name of your Wi-Fi hotspot, and you have to also write the password of the same. Then what we will do, 1 second. Yeah, so we have to connect the USB cord from my laptop back to the Node MCU. Okay, so I have stick the Node MCU to a breadboard. Okay, so you can see the laptop and Node MCU is connected. Then what I have already done it. So yeah, after entering all the initials, auth token, network name, network password, we have to first verify that is the software correct or not, and then we have to upload the software. Now you can see at the very bottom, and you can see it's Arduino Uno on COM3. Now what I have to do, I know that it's not on COM3, and it's the code is for Arduino Node MCU. So what I will do, I will go into tools section. I will get I will go into tools section. In the board column, it's Arduino Uno. I will search for Node MCU. So, okay, going down, I can see the Node MCU and I've clicked it. Now I want to confirm which port are open. You know, sometimes there are multiple ports open. Yeah. So port option, we have 4 ports open: COM6, COM7, COM8, and COM9. So I think so it is COM9. I have already executed the code, and after selecting the right board info and right COM, you have to upload the code. Now what will happen once it's get uploaded? You have to go back to your I think so mine is already working. Yeah. So after compiling and uploading the code, I will again switch back to my phone. Yeah, you can see the code is now inside the Node MCU. So now you can detach the USB port, but you need some kind of power. You can detach this USB port and put inside a charger and directly connect to your wall mount. You don't need any extra laptop now. So you can remove the USB port or you can let it be stay here. So now I don't have any power outlet, so I will just keep it there. Now what I will do, I will go inside my Blink application. Okay. And in my Blink application, it will tell that the board is connected. Now what I have to do, first I will remove this button, or I will click connect one more LED. Wait a second. This is a LED. I'm going to connect it via the D5 and GND. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. I will change to camera. You can see there was a green LED for a for the project. Now I have connected a yellow LED. The port I have selected is that the positive side of the LED is connected to the D8. You can see D8, and the negative side I have connected to G, which is the ground port. You can see. Oh no, sorry, it's not G. I've mistakenly connected. So D8 and G. Yeah, now it's correct. Now what we will do, we will give a button to it. Now inside the Blink application, you have to click the plus icon at the top. So the plus icon, no, sorry. Yeah, you have to click the plus icon and it will give you have an energy balance. I have an energy balance of 600. Initially, I think so it comes with 1000. So now what I will do, I will with using my 200 energy, I will buy a button. Now what I will do, I will program the button. I will first move it in middle. I will click it. Okay. So now we got button. Now we can also name that button. Okay, let it be stay button. And in the pin, we will we have 3 options: digital, analog, and virtual. So the pin on which we connected the positive side was D8. So it will be in digital. We will scroll down, find until we find D8. Okay, D8 open. And now we will make it into a switch. Okay, that's it. Now I will use the triangle to start the program. Okay, I think so I have to use this camera. You can see the yellow LED is not lit up now. My mobile is wirelessly connected. So now my mobile is connected with the Node MCU inside the board. So now if I will press button on, you can see the yellow light has turned on. Zed, is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So, you know, generally I was going to use this program for a relay circuit, but yesterday my relay got broke. So this was my actual idea. Wait. Yeah, so this was my actual idea, that what I will do, that I will put a relay and connect to one of my lamps at my home, and that relay will be connected to Node MCU, and the Node MCU will be connected to Blink. So using Blink, I could turn on and off my home lights. That was the initial plan, but I broke my relay yesterday. So now we have only option of an LED. So you can see it's a working project. After that, once you have seen that, I can even turn on and off the green LED. Yeah. Okay. So green LED, yellow LED. Like that, I can connect up to 10 LEDs or 10 relay circuits. Okay. So now what this gives us the capacity, that using a click of a button, I can start anything at my house, my TV, my AC, my fans, my light, using just my mobile phone. I don't need to get up and go to the switchboard and turn on the light. Now, even to make it more effective, what we will do, we will give voice assistance to this. You may have seen, that 4,000 dabbas of Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, that with your voice command, you can turn on off the lights. So today we are going to do the same project with our Node MCU, which cost nearly 250 rupees. So let's go. I will shift to, yeah, my applets. Yeah. So this is a website known as IFTTT. What does is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So I had made some applets. Applets are nothing but very small applications. They are integrated applications. So I had previously made the applications, but now I will delete it. So we will make them again. Okay. Uh, I will also delete this one. Okay. So now let's start with scratch. You know, okay, this one is also left. These were some of the apps I had made in my lockdown period time. Yeah. So starting from scratch, this is the IFTTT website, which is if this, then that. The full form of IFTTT is if this, then that. So now we will gonna create our own application. While clicking create, if this, then that. So if we'll press on this plus sign on if this. So now we want to give what you can say Wi-Fi capabilities to this Node MCU, our LED. We have to turn the LED on only from our voice commands. So I will search for Google Assistant in this. Okay, Google Assistant. There are 4 options that you can start a command by saying a simple phrase with a number, with a text, or a text and a number. So I will go with phrase. What I want to say is turn on the light. Okay. Okay, then another option I want to give, it will be turn on the LED. We don't want, okay, let's keep it, just keep it turn on. And what response do you want from the assistant? You know, when we open a Google Assistant and we ask something, she gives us a reply for a question. So in this IFTTT, we can customize a question replies. So if anyone wants their, you can put into chat box if anyone want to give any suggestion that what should be the response, anything. If you want, we can keep Binod, if that's something you want. Okay, Binod, then Binod it is. Okay. Then language English, then we will create a trigger. Then if Google Assistant, then that. For that, we have to click the plus sign. And we'll type something called as webhooks, WEBHOKS. Now in the webhooks, we'll make a web request. Now they will ask for a URL. Now I will show you what is the format of URL. A second. Yeah, so this is the format of URL. So this 192.66.206.43 is the IP address of the servers, Blink servers located in India. So you can task you can turn on or turn off the light anywhere from India. But if you are outside of India, then you can't turn on the LED. You have to use something called as VPN. So using your APK key. So now I will enter my APK key. This is the key which I got for my project. Control V. So this is my APK key. My pin number corresponding to the Arduino. Now I want to again share the screen back. Yeah, here. So pick of Arduino. 1 minute, guys. Stop here somewhere. You can see this is the Node MCU board, and you can see we had connect the green LED at pin D3. So you have connected the pin to D3, and the negative part we have put to ground. 1 second, guys. Yeah, I'm visible. Yeah. So we connected our positive key to the D3 pin, but it's we compiled the code in the Arduino IDE software. And what does Arduino think that this board is an Arduino Uno board? For this, we have to see the GPIO pin setting. For this Node MCU board, it's a D3 pin. हा D3 pin आहे. पण सॉफ्टवेअर साठी हा काय आहे GPIO 0. म्हणजे सॉफ्टवेअर साठी या पिनचा कोड काय झाला D0. म्हणून टाकताना आपण काय टाकायचं yeah. So this was the server IP address. This was my auth key and the pin number corresponding to Arduino will be D0. D0. So there is no space. Okay. So here it will be put, and the content type will be application. And inside the body, there will be in bracket double inverted commas, and we'll put Wait a second. It's 0 to 1, so we will put 1. So I would like to show you. Yeah. So this was our button, the green color button, D3 button. You can see you have programmed it to 0 to 1. Means what is it? Low to high. The low means the LED is off, and high means the LED is on. So LED normally is it in the off state, and once we click the switch, it will be in the on state. So what does it will do? The webhooks will assign the Google Assistant in such a way that it will convert my 0 to 1, via the Google Assistant. So after this code, okay, create action. Okay, create action. Where it is? Yeah, finish. Your last part to finish. Now we will check our board. So you can see all the green light is currently off. So now I will go to my mobile. Yeah, and I will ask, turn on the light. Now this one is another port. Let me see. Okay, it takes time to come there. Turn on. Have to check 1 minute. And see.
You had given that some other word, no, for turning on some.
Yeah. I did.
Binod,
It is.
no?
Yeah,
Binod.
Binod. Yeah,
Huh.
it is remembering the past application I have made. 1 minute.
Okay.
It has not recognized me, I think.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Say hi. Okay, that I did. Port number, I have to check it.
You given D0, I think. Huh? Which one?
Yeah, I've given D0. Okay, I will.
So disconnect it and connect it.
Yeah.
In the website.
Yeah, ASI is connected. 1 minute, I think so. I think so. It's not getting connected. My Node MCU is not getting connected. I have to check the code.
Bro, in my applets, there's written that connected, disconnected.
Now disconnect.
Connect Google. It's connecting. Let's see. To see what I made the mistake. Turn on the light. Yeah, it's Vinod. Turn on the LED. Put option 1. The URL is also correct. Save it. Turn on the light. Then what? Why it is not working? It's the same process.
It is connected to D0 only on hardware, because
Yeah.
in the program you have given that pin number D0.
Yeah, according to the Node MCU, the ID software think that it is. problem. I have to.
But
You
then,
refresh it in your mobile in IFTTT application.
Yeah. 1 minute.
in the
It
mobile,
takes
it is
4
showing
to 5
D3.
minutes. Yeah. It takes some time. So you see, the applet usually runs within a few seconds. Why it is not working this time?
Let us find out.
Yeah, it's a good error session. Okay, turn on.
See on the application, that mobile screen which you have shown, that pin number is which one, D3 or D0? There it is.
One
That
second.
screen of mobile you just show on the blink.
Yeah. Yeah, this is 0 to 1. I've
And it is,
compared it as a switch. Yeah.
and D3 it is.
Yeah. It's like that only. I've
Yeah,
made that
yeah.
application.
जो कोई और कमांड सेट कर.
और पिन दूसरा सेट करूं?
हाँ.
नहीं,
I think-
कमांड सेट दूसरा कर. लाइक टर्न ऑन द लाइट रखा है ना तूने, तो कुछ ऐसा सिर्फ लाइट रख.
हाँ, समझ में आ गया. वो दूसरा एप्लिटी दूसरा बनाओ.
हाँ.
हाँ, ठीक है. I will archive it. Working.
ब्रो आर्काइव में मत डाल, सिर्फ ऊपर जा कमांड.
हाँ, उसको डिसेबल करूँ और दूसरा बनाओ क्या?
नहीं, जो टर्न ऑन द लाइट लिखा है ना तूने रिक्वेस्ट में,
हाँ,
तो उसको ये कर.
हेलो, दूसरा
या.
कोई वर्ड.
कोई दूसरा कमांड.
हाँ,
रख.
अच्छा, हाँ, मैंने तीनों सेम ही रखा है. अच्छा, सॉरी. आई गॉट इट नाउ. D3 to G ये है, ये कनेक्टेड है. हाँ. Google Assistant. What do you say? What can we keep it?
Hello.
Only light.
A light. No, the way light. Let's keep this Vinod. Create trigger. Then that have to give webhooks. URL. Web URL, I have it in, yeah. Will be capital D0 and my RPI key will be this. Okay, it will be a put JSON file. This light, we have kept it. Check it, light. Okay, so we got back. Now I will put it light. Light. Oh, It's working. Fine. Thank you.
Good.
Uh, yeah, I will be working, turning it off. It's my screen share. Is my screen sharing that?
Yes.
Yeah,
Now.
yeah, I will. Light. You
Oh
can see
yes. Yeah.
after light, after I'm typing light, it will give the preferred response what we gave, and the light is on. And instead of light, we could have given a relay, and now my whole room could have been turned on or turned off.
Yeah.
So now this was a small applet which we made on turning on. Now after oning, we also want to turn it off. So we will now make another applet from which we can turn off the light. Okay, not shared it yet. Yeah, Zed, the screen दिख रहा है?
हाँ.
हाँ. I will go back and I will make another applet to turn off this. Create. Yeah, if this, I will again go to Google Assistant. Set a simple phrase. What do you want to say? Light dark. Let's say dark. Now, I had made the previous application, so I cannot use the same sentence. Yeah. Any response do you guys from audience wants to keep at the response from Google Assistant?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. Nobody's writing, so I thought I'll give.
Yeah. Create a trigger. Then that. Actually, you could hear that assistant speaking Binod, but I think so. My screen sharing doesn't works with audio.
No, it's okay.
URL again. The URL will be same. So now in my Arduino pin again, it's pin D0. And instead of the RPi key, we will okay, we'll use put content time again, JSON file body. Now, I show you how 0 to 1 means in coding language. It's a digital, it's a D pin. So what it will go, it will turn 0 or it will turn on. So means 0 or 1. So it will either be off or either be 1. So what our first Google Assistant code did that it turned from 0 to 1. Now we have to, when it's reached, it is reached 1, then we have to take it back to 0. So this time what we will put in body, we will put 0 in inside double inverted commas. And we have put dark. Okay, create action. Okay. Finish. It's connected. Now let's see if it is working or not. Yeah, dark.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can see the light has now turned off. And I will show it again.
Yeah.
Light. light.
Vinod.
Can see dark.
These came back from us.
Dark.
Okay, sir.
You see, like that, this LED was our last option. Otherwise, I could have shown you by this LED, the spotlight. I could have shown you how to turn it on and off. So this was our whole experience, that how you could, with the help of IoT, you can personalize your life. With the home automation, think of a day that you have connected your whole room with the node MCU and a circuit of relays, and you can connect anywhere in India. So while coming from your exhausting day at work, you can just tell that, okay Google, turn on my AC, and before reaching at your home, your room, your house will be already cool, your appliances will be already turned on. Once you enter your home, your Netflix will be already turned on. So these are some of the practical application that you can use in home automation. So now we'll go to the module of ESP 8266. Yeah. So we saw IF triple T, how it works, and then we saw this circuit, that how we started in near OK Google, and after telling OK Google, the message was sent to the IFTTT server. What it did, that it interpreted the whole message and gave it to the Blink application. The Blink application was connected to the Node MCU. So the Node MCU told the arrays that, okay, the OK Google has told to turn on the relay number 2, and the relay number 2 is connected to a switch which at the end turns on the light. So you can see this is the whole process of how you are talking only OK Google, and the whole message is passing through different steps, and at the very end the light is turning on. Now next we will talk about something called as ThingSpeak. How much time we have? Okay, last 10 minutes. So ThingSpeak, what does it do is that it's a product of MATLAB. When you go into engineering, you will learn something called as MATLAB. And what does it do is that the ThingSpeak collects the data, analyze it, and puts it through machine learning. So machine learning is a buzzword, again a new buzzword you must have heard. So the lingo is ML and DL, machine learning and deep learning. So what does the ThingSpeak do is that you can see yesterday we saw the temperature and humidity sensor. So what it can do, that for the time axis, it will put a time axis and it will put a temperature and humidity y-axis. And for each and every 15 seconds, it will create a graph that what is the temperature at this time of this day. So, and it will predict that, okay, this is the cycle, and these are the all the variables that there is time, there is temperature, there is humidity. You can see the temperature is low at the night, temperature is high at the morning. So it can predict that when the temperature will rise in which time of year, and which time the temperature will be low. Now how you can use it, that consider that you want your AC to turn on and off. So you can connect your ThingSpeak to your AC, and it will automatically calibrate how much, at what temperature should be your AC, so that you can get the you can use the optimum electricity to keep you at a minimum temperature, as well as save electricity. Also it can tell you that, okay, today is a very dry day, you should plant your water a little bit more, or it is a rainy day, so today you can skip watering your plants. These are some of the examples I had done. I think so. Let me check if I have a ThingSpeak project ready. Must be there. To sign in. One second, guys. Things speak. Yeah. It's 3:50. Let's just see. Okay, it's loading. Let's see if the ThinkSpeak is open. Then I will show you one of my few projects I've done there. And things so the servers are down. Okay. Yeah. There. Hmm. Oh yeah. I can share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So we had done this project that we were graphing the temperature and humidity in a closed environment, especially a classroom. So what we did was that we connected the DHT11, the temperature and humidity sensor, to the Node MCU. And the Node MCU, after every 15 seconds, used to send the data at the ThinkSpeak server. And this was the graph. Now the graph spiked up when actually our sensor was a little bit faulty. So it was staying idle at first, recent, and then it spiked to 255. So that was an error. This humidity is fine. So this is how, using ThinkSpeak from MATLAB, you can make a chart. So if further I will get time to talk with you, I will show you how you can make a ThinkSpeak project. So let's end here. So now, Sunil sir, any doubts?
Just wait.
Guys, any doubts?
No. No doubt in a question back.
Yeah. So let's end it here. No one. Okay. You can end the meeting, sir.
Okay, just wait, just wait, just wait. Agashya madam.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry, I was just hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any questions you have received?
No, ma'am. No.
No questions? Yes, Jyoti madam asking, or who is asking? Hello.
Hi,
Yes, ma'am.
madam.
Okay, so no question. That means you have understood everything, and we have got a very good replies from all the students, and excellent explanation, Sai and Zayed. Good work, Sai. Okay, so really very informative, and to the depth you have gone and worked out on this project. So anybody who would like to give feedback and come on the screen and talk? Anybody? Yes. Sai, it is like we were saying that we have to complete it at 4 o'clock. So were you tense because of that? You were looking at the clock all the time, but you are having the liberty that even if you want to talk 5-10 minutes extra, it is okay. So any question or any feedback? Anybody coming? अरे अभी वीडियो ऑन करके बताओ तो अच्छा लगा वो. Yes, anybody? Okay, anybody other than VPM Polytechnic? Aryan Kori is going to talk. So other than VPM Polytechnic, is anybody present? Please raise your hand. Other than VPM, outside VPM, is anybody present?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Aryan, please, will you please switch on your video?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, where are you coming from?
I'm from Godbandar Road and I'm studying in Pace College.
Okay, and how did you come to know about this?
Sai is my best friend from last 5 to 6 years.
Oh, I see. Okay. So then, would you like to give some feedback?
Yeah, I know Sai very well that he always tries to make anything very great and he always has passion in electrical things. Like in 8th standard also he brings school something like he made a project from scratch. He brings some I don't know I didn't remember what did he bring, but it was very great. He showed me. I don't
Okay.
remember now, but he's one of my best friends, I can tell you.
So what you are doing nowadays? What you are learning now?
I've taken science and I'm going to try to get in IIT, but it's hard a little
No,
bit.
no, it
Yes.
won't be hard. You will get. Keep on trying. So,
Thank you.
okay. So, thank you. And so you must be happy to see good performance of your best friend.
Yeah, I know. I told him like from last 3 days. I'm telling after this meeting. I call him. He's waiting. He's busy, but he pick ups my call very often.
Good, good, good. So thank you for your feedback. So today he is giving this lecture for the platform of 52 participants, including him. So more than 50 participants are there on the platform. Anybody else from VPM Polytechnic who would like to give feedback?
Someone like Aryan, she want
Yeah.
to say something.
Yeah. Who is that?
Aryan Kohli.
Yeah, he was the same
Aryan
guy.
Kori was just same one, same
Okay,
one.
okay.
From VPM, he is not from VPM, Aryan. So anybody from VPM? Anybody? Okay, Samyak. Talk. Samyak.
No,
Okay.
मेरा आवाज नहीं.
Yes, please switch on. Or if video not possible, you can just talk.
No, मेरा नेट खराब है.
Hello.
No, मेरा नेट खराब है.
Hello.
Okay, Prashant.
Yeah, madam, I am from Sardar Patel Institute of Technology.
Oh, okay.
For last 3 days, I am completely, from the beginning trying to listen to the workshop. Okay.
Yes, yes,
so
I have.
very well, yeah.
Huh.
So very well organized. I mean, the first thing is that it is organized in a proper way. Okay.
Thank you.
And then Jayed and Sai, they are the best presenters. So the way they are presenting is beyond what we do in the academics also. I mean, the way he is presenting, the kind of things he is demonstrating. I think an engineering institute faculty may not have also all those resources.
Yes.
And he is trying to use them at optimum. Like I saw him moving his camera to face to the audience, as well whenever required, he used to move it to the the things that he wanted to demonstrate. And he
Really.
was, I think, doing alone.
Yes, yes.
I
That
think,
is the great
yeah,
thing.
yeah. So he was trying to manage the things
On his own.
that no
Yeah,
could not be done by a faculty also
yeah,
sometimes.
yeah, yeah.
So he has done excellent job. I mean, he is the best resource person that you have got.
Really.
And please try to arrange his sessions whenever possible.
Sure.
I will also try to see how we can have his sessions at our institute level and
Definitely.
get his
Sir,
expertise.
sir, you are working over there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm working there in the
So
in
with
the Vivek
Hardankar
campus.
sir, you are working
Yeah,
with
yeah, yeah.
Hardankar.
Haldankar sir is my colleague.
Oh, Hardankar sir is
So
my student.
yeah, yeah,
He is
yeah. I
from
know, I
VPM,
know.
IE department only.
Yes, yes. I know. In one of
Yeah,
the workshops, he
yeah.
introduced me to you, saying that you are his teacher. I remember that day.
Yes,
And
yes,
Sunil sir was also with us for a few
yes.
years, 1 or 2 years.
Yeah, yeah. Because
Because of
Hardankar
him,
sir come here
yeah,
many times for his some workshops on
yeah,
PCB and other thing.
yeah, yeah.
Uh,
So we can also have your expertise like that.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
the
Yes.
give and take should be there. I mean, you have done a good job as an
Really.
organizer.
Sir, we are just now we have to work as a facilitator because now lot of potential is there, and during lockdown, really students are they have started active learning part of it now. They
Yes,
have
yes,
become the active learners, and that
yes,
is the outcome.
yes,
So
yes, yes, definitely. And the kind of arrangement that he has done, the
yes,
presenters has done was excellent. I mean,
yeah,
I could see it like a real workshop
yes,
than
yes,
just presenting. So I
yes,
like.
yes. Sure, sir.
Thanks, madam. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the feedback. Okay. So now coming to the end, and thank you, Sai and Zaid, and well done. Keep it up. So you have got appreciation not only from inside, you have got appreciation from outside institute also. This is a good thing, and I'm saying that others also please come forward. We will have such discussion channels open because ultimately we are all learners and we should not leave that phase of learning whether you have achieved some degree or you have reached some age or something. So learning should be a continuous process till the last breath of your life. So you should be a steady and constant learner. So if anybody others also prepare, because see when they come up with this ideas, then we have worked on it, we have said that how it is to be arranged, and then they were every time discussing the presentation. And I remember myself and Sunil sir, we used to discuss late night because for everybody of us 10:30 onward was the only time at our disposal. So we have to work, and we also enjoyed that sessions also, because there exactly we were sharing the ideas how it is to be presented, and what should be done, what should not be talked, and all that things. So other students, you will also get such type of support if you are really coming up with something with some passion and you want to show something and discuss it. The platform is open. At the same time, we will thank for this platform to our alumni Amit Mahajan also. Day before yesterday, I sent him message that such thing is happening on this platform, and then he was very happy because this platform is again for this month is been purchased by his company Griffin Robotic, and he's saying if the things are going on, I will continue for one more month till again everything thing comes to normal. So thanks to Griffin also, and for this platform and extended facilities. And now we are going, I think Sunil sir is sharing the screen. In continuation अभी क्या हो गया, हम लोगों को थोड़ी सी आदत हो गई 3 to 4 कुछ तो है, 3 to 4 कुछ तो है. So in continuation with that, tomorrow also we are organizing one guest lecture from our alumni. So Sunil sir, are you sharing the screen? No? Okay. So he is our alumni from Industrial Electronics Department. He is Mr. Rizwan Naikwadi. So he's executive MBA and he is alumni of Department of Industrial Electronics. Now he's working with Technology and Solution Sales Consultant, and he was in IBM India, Sumit AI, then NetApp, VMware. So really very informative session we are going to have. He has given me 2-3 topics, and based on that, myself, Amit, and Rizwan will discuss that what will be the good thing for the students. So introduction to virtualization technology will be his topic. And tomorrow we will be having the session at 3 o'clock. 3 to 4 we will be conducting this session of Rizwan. So I'm sure you're going to do it, like it. And this is the connect, that is initiative by our department. The connect, that means we are having that connection with our alumni, we are having the connection with good speakers and other thing. So this the connect, this is the second lecture in this series of alumni guest lecture. Last month you have met Amit Mahajan, and you had discussed the entire project with him. So tomorrow we are ready for this second session in this the connect. And I wish that see in good institutes like Xavier's or VJTI or ICT, there such activities are actually been organized, or it has been coordinated by the students. So now I am sure that if you can handle such presentations and such workshops, then why not give you the chance to even handle such activities of connecting with the alumni, because ultimately we get benefited by such connections. In future, you will be getting their help, you will be getting their guidance in which field you should do your career. All these things you can discuss with your seniors. So it is always to be good with, to be in the connection with your seniors. So this is the thing which I wish that we should be going ahead with, and this platform can be used for such open discussions. And thank you all for registering and for taking the participation in this session. And today we'll end this meeting. Anything remaining, Sunil sir?
No, ma'am.
And even we had declared your Guru Purnima. So these all initiatives we are taking from Department of Industrial Electronics, and we are very happy. Our alumni are also so active, and all the time they are supporting us for any new activity. And thank you so much. And let us meet tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Okay. So then bye for today. And Sunil sir, you are the host. You can end
Yes,
the
ma'am, yes,
meeting.
I will do it.
Okay.
Madam, you are the host.
Oh, okay, fine. Just a minute.